Okay, so now we are going to go into the next chapter, chapter 2 of this prototype. It's behavior and classification. So please go into the following link, click on the video, it will take you there just for a small introduction, and come back when you're done with the video. So as you've seen in the video, it's very hard to find things when you're not looking for them, and sometimes, just to put it in another way, if you're looking for something and you want to see something, you're gonna see that, and you're not gonna see everything else. So the same thing happens here with time series. Basically, from last chapter, we know that we want to see, in order to select the model, because each one of these models have a different way of handling these behaviors that we talked about. So we want to be able to understand and capture whether the series that we are going to forecast has and or either seasonality, trend, noise, and outliers, and sparsity. Again, when everything is combined, it's very difficult for someone to visually understand each one of these components, and sometimes the fact that you need some visual aid to do it takes a lot of time. Additional to these 4 different concepts, we also want to see whether the series presents some change in behavior, because again, if you have trend, if you have something constant and then you have some trend, there are some models that can't handle that, there are other models that can. There's something you can do about the data to clean it before using the models. So this is another piece of information that you would like to know about the series. So this is why we have the different what we call KBIs, or key behavior indicators. They are metrics, they are quantitative, they are objective, and they will let you know about all these 5 different components and the strength for each one of them. And KBIs are useful to complement visuals. So basically, if you're looking at something, you have the support of the KBIs to help you understand what you're looking at. Sometimes it's not difficult, again, when you're looking at visually in a qualitative way. And on the other hand, it also gives you a way of handling the part of the portfolio that it's not in the 20% the most important, that A side. So those B and C products that you don't need to see them at all. You can use these KBIs and understand which are the behaviors present in this series, and hopefully select the corresponding model. And that's the idea about the KBIs. That's what we're going to see in this chapter. We're going to dig into the mathematics again, and for the sake of this prototype, we're going to only review one of these KBIs.